Have you ever felt like your retirement savings were walking a tightrope? One bad market fall, and it could all come crashing down. That's exactly how John felt. John's a 67-year-old retired engineer from Naples, Florida. 2 years ago, he had nearly $980,000 saved in a mix of mutual funds and index ETFs. A solid nest egg, right? But then, 2022 happened. Inflation skyrocketed. The stock market plunged. The Fed hiked rates again and again. Suddenly, that diversified portfolio didn't feel so safe anymore. We'll come back to John's story, because what he did next might be the smartest move a retiree can make. But first, let's look at what's happening right now. According to CNBC, 60% of retirees say they're more concerned today about running out of money than they were just 5 years ago. Why? Because the traditional 60-40 portfolio, 60% stocks, 40% bonds, just isn't cutting it anymore. Bonds are struggling. Stocks are volatile. Even real estate's been shaky. And with President Trump warning about a potential economic bloodbath if policy mistakes aren't corrected, many retirees are asking, what else can I do to protect what I've worked so hard for? Here's the answer you won't hear from your broker. Diversification isn't just about mixing up your stocks and bonds. It's about adding assets that move independently of Wall Street. That's why more and more retirees are adding physical gold into their IRAs. Gold isn't tied to corporate earnings. It doesn't crash when the Fed gets hawkish. In fact, gold historically performs best when uncertainty is highest. Back to John, after seeing over $120,000 evaporate in market losses, he took action. He rolled over $325,000 of his traditional IRA into a self-directed gold IRA. No gimmicks, no free silver pitches. Just a safe IRS-approved way to hold real gold coins and bars in his retirement account. And here's the thing, that single decision, it helped him sleep better. Not just because gold's gone up, but because he knows a portion of his wealth is now insulated from market chaos. And it all started from getting the free Gold IRA guide you see linked below. Look, if you've got $100,000 or more in a 401k, IRA, or TSP, and you're within 5 to 10 years of retirement, or already retired, you owe it to yourself to at least see what options are out there. This isn't about fear, it's about freedom. This guide breaks down how a Gold IRA works, what the potential tax benefits are, and how you can get started with a no-obligation, one-on-one call. No pressure, no sales pitch, just education. If you're watching this, chances are you've worked decades to build what you have. Now it's time to protect it and maybe even pass it on. So don't wait for the next crash to wonder if you should have done something. Take the first step, get the free guide, and see if a Gold IRA could be a good fit for you. Your future deserves real security. And diversification, real diversification, is your best friend in retirement.